Alright, here's the finished product. Got it painted, at least one coat on there. Probably put another 2 coats on. As you can see, I left the stack just raw. Got some residual glue left over that I got to get off from the tape. But she's looking all right. So next weekend, I hope to, somebody commented I should throw some ribs on that bad boy. That's the plan for next weekend. I might spark it up between now and then just to heat it up and try to learn how well it heats and how it holds the temperature and how much wood I'm gonna need. I'll probably do a video on my my baby back ribs when I do them next weekend. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Tell me what you think. Leave me a comment. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.